All right, y'all, we're at a beautiful cabin in Hinton, Virginia, just outside of Harrisonburg. Check out our cabin up there. Got the fly rod with me. Our first morning here, and we've got the dry river right here in front of us. So, I'm gonna see if I can catch some fish. Fishing with an all-season dry fly here. The water's gonna be extremely low, but we'll see if we can catch some wild trout. Looks like the water's extremely low, so we'll see if there's some trout in here or not. Looks like I don't need my waders, but with some good little pocket water I'll be able to get into, so we'll see if we can catch something. The one trout that's probably in this river because it's extremely low. I tripped and fell coming down the river, and it should be holed up right at this big rock right here. So we got Parker, we got the trusty Zebco 33, and we've got the trusty red worms, and we're gonna see if this will do the trick. So, all right, y'all, the situation is, I've walked this dry river probably about a half a mile or more, and I spooked 2 trout, one in front of our house, which we can probably come get, another one that I had no idea was there. And then right here, I've got a pool of trout here, very calm water. I saw them, so most likely they saw me, so I'm gonna loop here and then cast from behind them. So I'm gonna go wide and around, and hopefully I can catch one of these. I'm gonna shoot a stimmy in there. Maybe it can make one of them mad to bite. Wish me luck. Oh my God, look at all those brook trout. Holy crap. You guys seeing this? Holy crap. Look at all those brook trout. Freaking, there's like 30 of them in there. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. They're all holed up in here. Guys, did you see that? There's like 40, 50 brook trout. These are all native in this hole. It makes so much sense where all these fish have been pushed down into one hole. Oh my gosh, so what to throw next? What can we throw next to maybe catch one of these? I mean, they're already a little agitated. They know I'm here. Let's just try something. Let's try a mop fly. We'll see. There's like 100 in there. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Look at all of them. They're coming back again. Look at all those freaking trout. Well, right now I'm tying a double dropper as best as I can. I got a mott fly with a salmon egg. Mott fly and a salmon egg. So, hoping this will do the trick. Get something out to play. It'll be easy because these fish are extra spooky. Oof, one of them chased after it. Got one, got one, got one. No way. Oh, he got off. Oh my gosh, y'all saw that. Oh, they're hungry. They are hungry. Oh my goodness, hope y'all saw that. That was awesome. That was a nice brook. Come on. Might come after it. Got one. Ah, had one. Had one. Got one. Got one. Got one. Got one. Yes, baby. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. He's hooked really good. He's hooked really good. We'll stay in the water. Oh, yes. Freaking beautiful, baby. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. So he just hit this salmon egg on my double dropper. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, wow. This is awesome, guys. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful fish. Absolute beautiful fish. Absolute beautiful fish. Barely hooked. Holy smokes. Let's get a cool picture. Holy smokes, guys. Got another one, got another one. Got another one. Got another one. Got another one, baby. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I got him. Got another one. Oh, this is a beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. I hit this one off of the, that is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, no, you chill out. That was awesome. That was absolutely awesome, y'all. All right. About to take the boys on an adventure. Taking the boys on an adventure to the secret brook trout honey hole. We are gonna let them keep 2 trout each, and then we're gonna leave the trout alone and let them do their thing, their trout thing. But we're gonna go on a little adventure. Colin's got a Zebco Splash, and Parker's got the old classic Zebco 33. What are we gonna catch today, Parker?
Trout.
Trout. If you're gonna catch a trout, you gotta do what?
Catch a trout?
You gotta catch a trout. There you have it, words of wisdom. If you wanna catch a trout, you gotta catch a trout.
It's so slippery.
Colin, tie your hook up, buddy.
Then I hope the fish is worse. Try to catch a fish. We gotta cross?
No, keep going.
Okay. I just like to follow where you go.
Hold on, Colin. Wait up, wait up. We are out here with the boys doing some trout fishing. We've got a little hole here with some trout. We've got a Zebco Splash, a bobber, a size 2 bait holder hook with some red worms on it. And we're gonna see if Colin can catch one. What do you think?
Can I please cast? So maybe I can do my...
Ooh, ooh, set it, set it, set it, set it!
Drink it. You want just really that?
You got him, you got him, you got him, you got him! Yes, you got an awesome trout, Colin! Good job, buddy! That's an eater!
Go keep him. You get him.
He's got an awesome trout. You got one, Colin?
Get on camera, Dad.
I got it.
Colin, that's a nice one. Oh, Dad.
Is it a bass?
Yeah, that's a bass. Bass.
You just caught a bass. No, a chub, a giant chub. That's a giant chub. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That's the biggest creek chub we have ever caught before.
Dad, can you cast mine now?
Yeah.
Dad, Dad, he was attacking the bobber.
Big trout.
Good.
Whoa. Oh, that's a huge one.
Oh. He's stuck up in line.
That is a huge one.
Keeper.
Yeah. Wow, good job,
He's
Parker.
stuck up in my line. He's stuck in line. Colin's line.
Okay, we'll get it done.
Still got
Parker, that is a keeper, buddy. That is a nice one. Colin, hey.
Then I failed to find him and then I set the hook. Dad,
Good job, Parker.
That was so quick.
That was really quick.
I was like, boom.
Did you get him undone? All right. Show him off to the camera. That is a beautiful trout, buddy. Look.
Bye-bye.
He goes. Beautiful. Actually, Colin, just reel it in and let it fall right in the water. Right there. Leave it. That's where the trout are. Get ready. Get ready, Colin.
But he's not getting away. If it's not a wild, but if it's big and it's a keeper, we're keeping it. So look, I made a little holder thingy.
Right, Colin, reel it in and we'll try again.
So, but can I still cast mine?
Just, ooh, Colin. Reel it. Colin's got one. He's got one. He cast it and he caught it.
Big little jiggy.
Colin, whoa. Don't reel anymore. That's a beautiful brook.
Oh.
All right. Let's leave him in the water. Oh, he got off. Hold on. Where'd he go? Well, he got away. 3. Get him, Colin. Get closer. Parker, let him net him.
Bring it to me.
You can get closer, Colin. Colin, gotta go underneath him, buddy. Underneath. Yeah! We got him!
Then he swallowed it.
Yep.
I wanted to catch.
Colin, lift up and see if you got one on there, buddy. Oh, no, let it back down. Ooh, he's coming. Oh, he just barely missed it. Feel one on there? Yeah. Oh, where'd he go? You got him!
Go!
Oh, he got away! Reel the slack just a little bit, son. Reel just a tiny bit. A little bit more.
Well, you know now.
A little bit more, son. Reel a little bit more. A couple more reels. Huh, whatever. Colin, reel, set the hook. Got one. Slow it down. Go net it, Parker. Good job. Slow down, Colin, slow down. Get in the net. Beautiful. Let's go. Give me one.
You want to keep him?
Zebco 33, baby. Yep. Nice job.
Dad, can we try to catch some more?
All right, y'all. We just got back from our adventure. We went outside. We came, we saw, we conquered. We caught 4 trout.
We caught more than 4.
We released a few trout. And we're going to fry some up. But we had a fun time. Do we have a fun time?
Yeah. It
was a great adventure, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. We hope you enjoy watching our adventure and inspires you to get outside and catch some fish. Over and out.
Right.
Let's go.
We're going as men. We go out as warriors.
Alright, y'all. We just caught some brook trout to cook. We got our cabin here. We're in Hinton, Virginia for the week. About 15-20 minutes from Harrisonburg, Virginia. We found this. We'll post this Airbnb on our YouTube channel. We always find some really nice, unique places to stay. Check out this awesome Airbnb here. It's got a nice backyard, fire pit, river below with trout. You catch?
Big fish.
Big fish? Can you say trout? Can you say trout? Alright, here is the front of the Airbnb. An absolute beautiful cabin we found. When you come inside, it's got an awesome wraparound staircase, 2 bedrooms, a loft with a TV, master bedroom there, beautiful kitchen inside. Alright, family adventure in the Luray Caverns in Virginia. Let's see what this is about. We're going inside. What do you think, Mia? You ready to go inside?
Yes.
You ready to go in the dark cavern?
Yes.
Think it's gonna be spooky? Going inside. Spooky. Spooky. Ooh, keep the doors closed. Look at that, Mia. Ooh, that is pretty cool. You wanna keep going? Yeah.
They found it in 1878, Parker. They found a promising sinkhole. And they felt a cool air coming out of the quarter size hole.
Look at that. The lake in there. Look at that. You got water coming out? Yeah. You want to jump in there?
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to jump in there. You never know what's in there. Or how deep it is. It's super cool. That's amazing, Mia. Check that out. Yeah, it could be deep. Could be animals in there. Could be animals in there. Animals.
No animals.
Could be.
No.
You don't think so?
They raised one,
And there?
Where we going? All right, y'all, we are in Luray, Virginia. We just went to Luray Caverns, and now we're at the Greenway in Luray, fishing the Hawksbill Creek. Parker's already snagged. Looks like this place was stocked, I think, first week in October, so hopefully maybe we can catch some trout in here. It looks like it is a designated trout fishing water with no lure restrictions. Parker's already almost caught a fish. Let's see. You did? You had a fish already? You want to catch a fish?
Yeah.
What kind of fish did you have, Parker?
I'll get the fish. I'm going to try.
You want to try to catch one?
Yeah. I see.
Colin.
Get it.
You get it? Let it come back. That was a good bite.
I see a brim.
Parker, you need another weight on there, buddy. Push the button, Mimi.
Well, I had one.
Colin, yours is about to get another bite, buddy.
Oh, good one, Colin.
What?
That was a great cast.
Dad!
What? Did you get a bite?
Oh my god. Not this little.
You want to hold the fish?
Come.
Out.
Yes, why?
You want to hold the rod, Colin, so you can have two hands? Here. There you go. Mia, stay still. Stay still.
Which way do I go? In the water or what?
Come on this side, between Mia. Right over here, Colin. Through here. There you go.
Come here.
All right. Hey, Colin, the hook is stuck on the net. See it?
Oh!
See it? Oh, it's fighting. Here it is. They're real. Real. Got it. I see it. Here it is. Oh, fishy. Oh. Angry fishy. Mommy. Look at here. Hold it. Hold it. I'll put it back. Oh, he's going the wrong way. That's a bluegill. There he goes. What do you think? Yay!
I'm really good with that.
Brimmy. Oh, Brimmy.
Oh,
It's a red eye. Rock bass. Something fishy.
a red eye bass.
You had one?
Red eye. It's called red eye bass.
Yeah, red eye. Googly eye.
What do I do with the pole?
Let me try to get this fish out.
You're fishing? What you want to do?
All right, our Luray adventure yielded one baby trout and a ton of, I'll call them red eyes, like in the brim family, kind of like a rockfish, a rock bass. But we had fun on our adventure, of course, and we caught tons of chubs. And what else did we catch?
Brim?
Brim, bluegill. Colin, what did we catch? Clams. He's a clam boy. All right, we'll see you on our next adventure. All right, this morning Parker and I took about a mile hike downstream of the dry river, and we were driving the roads up there above us, and I saw this deep hole and thought we could probably definitely make it. And we made it to this hole, and it looks like it's a public local spot. It's got signs here, keep the blue hole open by following these rules. So this is, I guess, a popular swimming hole in Hinton, Virginia. So pretty cool find. We've caught a few fish this morning, and we're in this big hole. Probably doesn't have fish in it because it's a swimming hole, but we're trying. We're outside. We're having fun. We're having a cool adventure. Well, guys, we're in the blue hole, and we caught a trout. Look at that. Catching a trout in the blue hole. Yeah, listen to me. Let me get a video of you. I was reeling it in. Hold on. Wow, that's a beautiful trout. Parker is beautiful. Slow down. All right, we're outside, boys. We just caught a beautiful trout. Slow down, son. Oh my gosh, he's beautiful. He's a giant. He's a giant. He's a giant. Good job, Parker. He's a giant.
Good thing we didn't go to the other spot.
Yeah. Here, hold the video.
Oh. Make sure it doesn't jump out of the net thing. That's a huge.
That is a giant. Absolute giant. Good job, Parker. Look at that. Whoop, shucks.
You.
It was an accident, Parker.
Oh, but I don't want to catch it.
We'll catch another one.
What if we don't?
Oh gosh. Whew.
Okay, video on.